to try and save some Legos tonight. We actually might be out again if Natalie and Nicola want to come out before we open the Connor.
Oh yeah, text me. Let me know, because I'll come. Yeah, just leave them. I'll get them. I have another box at home.
Rowan, you want your sunglasses?
Daddy. You silly goose.
Daddy. Oh, Daddy. Oh, Mommy. Oh, Daddy. Oh, Mommy.
Oh, Daddy.
Oh, Daddy.
Dad,
baby.
So cute.
I love her.
I'm such a dork.
Hey!
That's not nice, is it?
Call name. Hey, I know you're trying to be silly, but dork is not a nice name.
Yeah, dork's not nice, is it?
Silly goose. That's a good one. We get her stop snorting at the little gym yesterday when she wouldn't go in. Alright. I'll see you guys later.
Yeah, text me if you come out.
Wherever you are.
Yeah, I know. I don't know where she is right now either.
Bye.
Bye, Al. Bye, Roro. Bye, Gracie. Bye, guys.
When they go back to the store, this is what you told me. That one is play first. They don't. After two fools,
No, Ginger is pretty funny. He's what, 8 months, 9 months?
Oh, he's 11 already.
11 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, you lose perspective. I have a 3-year-old and I can't. So funny, because when she was under a year, I used to be able to peg it every single time. Now, can't peg them. Look at all those toofuses.
Yeah.
Allie, did you see this cute little boy? He likes the ginger. Oh, you know what? I have a secret to tell you. Come here.